What's going on, guys? This is Tweetsie Railroad. Just give you guys a look around here from the observation deck over the train tracks. Now up here, for those that know about this, they have it closed off just past the Bud Shop. Alright, guys, so I'll get a few more videos of the train. Come over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do some big videos coming up, especially New Year's. I'm at 98 subscribers. I'm trying to grow, so help me out. Let's get above 100. And just enjoy the videos. There's this one. The star of the show, I guess. The one that likes to aggravate me and kick me. Ow. She's a jerk.